Hello guys, what's up? Well, today it's a mighty cold day in Canada. This is one of the coldest days recorded so far this year. It is minus 22 degrees Celsius, and Fahrenheit that is about minus 8. Wow. So today, since it's really cold outside, I thought I should do cold start videos of the Mazda van and the Ford truck, since I never actually did one in so long. I thought today would be an appropriate day. So unfortunately I gotta go to school in a couple of minutes, so I guess we'll start off with the 2010 Ford Ranger. This is a base truck model with the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder. So this one is a 2.3.
It was wet for a few days. That's wet.
3,846 Perfect. You can also touch in your Ford. This is for Joseph Wagner. He messaged me on Facebook to do his cold start. And there it is. So the tire pressure monitor is flashing on and off with this car because we actually changed to winter rims, so that's what's causing it. Okay, so now while it's warming up, let's see if we can start the van. It's a 2000 Mazda MPV with a 2.5 liter V6. This one has 142,397.
It's Blue Monday. Yeah, everybody's like a little bit crabby, you know, no surprising.
And there we go. So like I said, it's about minus 22 degrees Celsius, minus 8 degrees Fahrenheit. With the wind chill, makes it about minus 30. It's very cold. So once again, there's a cold start video. It's been a while, of the 2010 Ford Ranger and the 2000 Mazda MPV. I gotta close this one, there's no gas in here. Alright guys, see you later.